Hi, I'm Mike with Veloci, and today I'm going to tell you about one of my favorite accessories. I love measuring things, and so when it comes to gauges, this thing can tell you the information that you can find nowhere else in your system. The 5000 PSI gauge with fitting is specifically meant to go at the inlet of a gun for intermittent checking of pressure to ensure nozzles do not need to be replaced. This will also catch pressure spikes and alert you if pressure changes over time as your nozzle enlarges due to wear. And since this is a more temporary location for it because you don't want to be lugging around a bunch of extra weight while you're cleaning, you'd probably also have a ball valve installed so that you can engage and disengage. And when you're doing so, you can get your pressure reading whether you're activating or disengaging your gun. The Veloci 5K gauge is a great accessory for maintaining pump health, whether you are a homeowner or a commercial cleaner.